It's important to focus on what's important to the client. They're the ones who are going to have to live in the space and wake up and go to sleep in the same space every day. I think that comfort is a very big thing. For instance, if I have a client who seems very stressed and very, unorganized and kind of disheveled and all over the place, usually after walking in their home, you can understand exactly why those things are happening in their life, and it's because their home looks a mess. It's just as stressed out as they are. So by adding colors that are soothing and finding a place for everything so things feel organized and orderly, then you notice almost a light comes up in them where they feel like, a relief, and they can come home and it can be a refuge and it can feel like a space that they can just exhale in. A lot of times I'll find myself with clients who have maybe one or two pieces that they really don't want to get rid of, and it's something that's very important to them. Maybe it has a significant meaning, and I'll find a way to incorporate the design around that item. It could be a piece of artwork. For instance, my fiance had an art piece that he absolutely did not want to get rid of, and so I used that as my inspiration for the design in my apartment. So you have these beautiful blues and subtle purples. They're very wispy and painterly. I took cues from the shape of the trumpet and found these beautiful Tom Dixon beat lamps that really played off of that, and decided to showcase those around the art. And then the colors just really jump out. I found a way to find subtle blues that would complement it and not compete with it. And that's one thing that I try to keep in mind, is finding a way to incorporate that piece that the client loves without the rest of the interior competing against it, because you want to showcase it. It means something to them, so don't hide it and don't let it disappear, but find a way to make it work with everything else.